Good morning students. Today we will start with the topic zeros of the polynomial, which is very important topic. Zeros of the polynomial. You know what are polynomials? Zero of the polynomial is a real number a. Let a be any real number. Is a zero of the polynomial px if p of a is equals to 0. In this case, a is also called a root of the equation px is equals to 0. Right? Now I will explain this topic with the help of an example. For example, let us take any polynomial in x, that is p of x is equals to x square minus 2x. This is a polynomial in px. Now we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. How can we find the zeros of the polynomial? If we put x is equals to 2. If we put x is equals to 2, where 2 is a real number, right? If we put x is equals to 2, then in place of x, 2 will come here, right? X square means 2 square minus 2 into x, that is 2 into 2. 2 ka square is 4, minus 2 into 2 is again 4. And 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. It means if we put this x is equals to 2 in the polynomial x square minus 2x, we will get the answer 0. Which means this x is equals to 2 is called the zero of the polynomial px. Right? Here, polynomial px means x square minus 2x according to the definition. A real number a. A real number a means x is equals to 2 is a real number. P of a is equals to 0. P of 2 is equals to 0. In this case, this a is a zero of the polynomial, where a is equals to 2, that is x is equals to 2. This is called the zeros of the polynomials. Means एक ऐसी वैल्यू polynomial की जिसकी हम वैल्यू उसकी जगह कोई वेरिएबल की जगह अगर हम कोई रियल नंबर पुट करते हैं उसका आंसर 0 आ जाता है. That real number is called the zero of the polynomial. So here x is equals to 2. By putting x is equals to 2 in the given polynomial, we will get the answer 0. It means this 2 is called the zero of the polynomial. Now, if I put x is equals to minus 2. If I put x is equals to minus 2, then p of minus 2 will be minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 square is again 4. And minus minus plus 2 to the 4, which is equals to 8. It means this minus 2 is not the zero of this polynomial. But by putting x is equals to 2, we will get 0. So it means this 2 is called the zeros of the polynomial. Go. Now, let's start with exercise 2.2. Here question number 1 is find the value of the polynomial. Polynomial is given at, I'm doing second part here, at x is equals to minus 1. It means polynomial given is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. And we have to find the value of the polynomial at x is equals to minus 1. It means jahan jahan x hai, where we have to put minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to 5. X is there. Minus 1 we have to put minus 4. Minus 1 square plus 3. Right? 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4 as it is. Minus 1 square is 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. You know that minus minus plus and sign is of with the highest term, that is 5, that is negative. So minus 5 minus 4 is plus. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Now again plus minus is minus, 9 minus 3 is 6, and the sign with the highest term is negative, so minus 6 will be the answer. Go. Now next with question number 2, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. And I am doing second part here. Here it is p of t is equals to polynomial under t, right? This is a polynomial of one variable, and that variable is t. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Now we have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. All the three cases of this polynomial. So first of all, p of 0. If we have to find p of 0, then we have to put the variable equals to 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube, which is equals to 2 plus 0, 0, 2 is into multiply by 0, and 0 multiply by any number is again 0, minus 0 cube is again 0. So this is equals to 2. Now next we have to find P of 1. Very simple. In this we have to put the value of the variable is equals to 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 square means 1 only. 1 cube is 1. 3 plus 2 minus 1. Right? 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now next we have to find P of 2. Means we have to put the value of T is equals to 2. 2 plus T, that is 2, plus 2 into T square, that is 2 square, minus T cube, that is 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square is 4, minus 2 cube is 8. Means that we have to multiply 2 with 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 4 to the 8 minus 8. Plus 8 and minus 8 is 0. So we can cancel these two, and 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 is the answer. So it means P of 0 is 2, P of 1 is 4, and P of 2 is again